Alright, welcome back. This is Mr. Rag. In this video, I will be giving you another example of how to find the area of a composite figure. I wanted to give you guys plenty of examples because there are so many number of possibilities when it comes to composite figures. There's probably an infinite number of composite figures that we can think of. So, nevertheless, here's another example. So the figure shown is made up of a triangle and a square. The perimeter of the figure is 56 inches. What is the area of the figure? Okay, so first thing I notice about my figure is that I have a square, square, and I have a triangle. Okay, now the thing I must know about a square is that all of the sides are equal. Okay, all of these sides are equal, they have the same length. So I noticed that in my problem they did not give me any of the lengths of the sides of my square here. So I have to use the perimeter to kind of figure out what the lengths of the sides are of my square. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. So I see that one side of my triangle is 10 inches, and I have another side that's 10 inches. Okay, so I know that the perimeter of this figure here, I need to add up 10 plus 10 plus this side here of my square plus another side of my square plus the third side of my square, and these 5 sides of my figure should add up to 56 inches. Okay, now since I don't know the length of the sides of my square, I'm going to call that x. Okay, and up here I've written that all sides are equal. All sides of a square are equal. So if this side is x, this side is also equal to x, and so is this side up here. Okay, so I have 3 x's, so x plus x plus x. I'll go ahead and write that out. X plus x, yep, x plus x plus x plus 10 plus 10 should add up to 56 inches. Okay, so I'm going to combine my x's. So I have 3 x's plus, and I'm going to combine my two sides of the triangle. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So 3x plus 20 should equal 56. So now I have to solve for x. Going to do the inverse operations on both sides of the equation, or the opposite operation on both sides of the equation. So first I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. I'm left with 3x equals 56 minus 20, that is 36. So 3 multiplied by a number equals 36. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. So I have x is equal to 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, so x is equal to 12. So each side of this triangle is equal to 12 inches. Okay, so now I can go ahead and get this area of the square, and then I'm going to add it to the area of the triangle, and then I will have my area of my composite figure. So area of this square, so area equals s squared, or you'll see it as base times height. Okay, so either way, it's 12 times 12. So area equals 12 times 12. So I get 144 inches squared for the area of my square here. Okay, so now I'm going to find the area of my triangle. So the area of a triangle, the formula is area equals 1/2 base times the height. My base is this length right down here. So it's one of my sides of the square, which is 12. So 1/2 times 12 times the height of the triangle. Now the height will be a straight line. So it is this dotted line right here. So it's 8 inches. So I have 1/2 times 12 times 8. Okay, so 1/2 times 12, or half of 12, that gives me 6. 6 times 8 is 48. So I have 48 inches squared. So I'm going to add the area of my two figures. So 144 plus 48. 144 plus 48. That gives me 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, 9. So 192 square inches is the total area for my composite figure. All right, and we're done. Thanks for watching.